2025 and in this year, social media changes forever. If you're growing a brand, connecting with the audience, or earning online, you can't afford to miss this. Why? Because in 2025, social media is set to change in a big way. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through all those key trends to stay ahead in this game. The first one is multi layered hooks. I'm calling this trend hooks are getting trickier or funnier. Not my best title, but the idea is spot on. You probably noticed the intro of this video was quick, about 10 to 15 seconds, and packed with visual cues. That wasn't by accident, but it was intentional. You just have few seconds to grab someone's attention on social media. But here's the twist. In 2025, the time you have to capture the attention will shrink even further. A study by Facebook revealed that the average attention span for a mobile user is just 1.7 seconds. Isn't this crazy? Slightly higher at 2.5 seconds on desktop. With more brands and creators competing for eyeballs, this window is only getting smaller. So, what does this mean for you? So it's no longer enough to just say something catchy or exciting in first 3 to 5 seconds for your video. You'll need multi-layered hooks to keep your audience engaged. A multi-layer hooks include first, audio. Say something impactful or use sound effects. Second, visuals. Grab with attention, movements, or action on screen. Third would be text. Add captions or keywords to reinforce your message. Authenticity is the key, so make sure your hooks are reflected in your personality and mix it up. Even the best creative hooks lose impact if they feel repetitive. The second one is long form content is making a comeback. Short form video has dominated the conversation in recent years, but long form content is quietly reclaiming its place. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are leading the charge. TikTok Creator Fund now incentivizes videos longer than 1 minute, and they have been tested 10 minutes upload. YouTube, on the other hand, is enhancing its TV app, catering to the growth of the number of users watching long form videos on their television. Why the shift? Longer videos mean more time spent on the platform. And that's exactly what social media company wants. If you're already creating long form content or thinking about it, now is the time to lean. And to make your content stand out, you'll need to keep your audience engaged with top tier visuals, audio, and effects. The third one is the rise of micro communities. Social media is shifting from broad networks to intimate, niche communities. Platforms are already prioritizing features that encourage private sharing and tighter connections. Instagram notes and broadcast channels enhance private conversations. YouTube's updated community tab lets create the audience share content and fostering more personal engagement. If you're a content creator, focus on community building, start meaningful conversation with your audience and think strategically about how you can foster a sense of belonging in your space. The fifth one is multi-format content diversity. In 2025, it won't be about choosing between photos, carousel, or videos. It will be doing about all of it. This year, even Instagram founder said carousel will be pushing more. So platforms are now given equal weight different content formats. TikTok supports carousel, Instagram is pushing photos again, however, carousel are just being pushed more now. LinkedIn now allows vertical videos similar to reels, and that's amazing. You can post your reels in LinkedIn as well. Diversity in your content to stay relevant. So to stay relevant, put carousel and reels as well. The sixth one would be shortening trend cycle. Trends are cycling faster than ever. A viral movement that used to have fast last months might now fade in just weeks. To keep up, brands and creators must experiment more often. Spend time on platforms daily to stay tuned into what's working, and don't be afraid to step out of your creative comfort zone. The next one will be AI is unlocking creativity. AI isn't just a tool, it's a creative booster. From generating content ideas to simplifying production, it has helped me so much. I love ChatGPT, helped me write script, hooks, CTA, everything. AI is lowering the barrier to enter for creators. In 2025, if you're not already experimenting with AI, now is the time, because now in this year there will be more creative things happening from creators, also the beginners into creative field using AI. The eighth one is the social commerce boom. Social commerce, selling directly through social media, is only getting bigger. TikTok Shop has perfected the model, allowing creators to seamlessly tag their products in their videos. Other platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat are going to follow the same. If you're a business owner, integrating social media commerce into your strategy is non-negotiable in 2025. It's super, super important. My final thought is 2025 is shaping up to be a transformative year for social media. From mastering your hooks to embracing long form content and leveraging AI, the opportunities are endless. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope this video helped you to learn something new and discover whoever is planning to come into this social media game to be a content creator or have your own business. This video will definitely help you to see what is coming in 2025, and it's gonna be a massive year. So that's about it, guys. If this video was helpful, so please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.